Hello, this video is going to show you how to begin and download Teams onto your computer and how to access it. This is the Teams icon you get here through going to office.com and logging in with your SREB email and password. You click on Teams and it will take you to your team. Now, your team may not have much action, or it may have some things happening, depending on how much you've used it before. You may want to have Teams downloaded as an app on your computer as opposed to going through the web browser. This, I believe, makes it easier to receive notifications. So to do that, you click Download here, and it will run a download process onto your computer. And once you've done that, you will then have a Teams app on your desktop. And by opening the Team app, you now have, it looks exactly the same, but it has, you don't have to go online. And what's nice is it'll provide you notifications down here as you choose. So let me show you how to change your notifications. You go to Settings, and in Settings you click on Notifications. Now, I recommend you, by the way, have it auto start. If it's something that you want that's going to be used regularly for your project management, it's best just to have it open, and that way if there's notifications, they'll come right away. Go to Notifications, and then set it up so that there's a banner and email anytime you're mentioned. So if someone types in your name, you will get a little banner down here that says someone is talking about you, or someone has sent you a message, and someone will send you, you'll get an email if you're offline. So if you're not in here and someone mentions you, you'll get an email that says, hey, somebody's talking about you in Teams, check it out. Again, you can decide if you want that for chat messages when someone's chatting about you or with you, and as they're replying to you. If you do a lot of chatting, you may not want to have the banner, or you may not. The email will only come if you're offline and you don't respond. And so you can say how often you want to get missed activity emails. So it knows if you're offline, if you're not logged in and you're not open and you're not responding, it'll send you an email. So if there's a lot of information coming in and you're offline, you'll get a bunch of emails. I set mine for every 10 minutes, and that works out pretty well. So that is how you set up your Teams online and download it to your computer. In the next videos, I'll talk about Teams itself and how to use it.